the purpose why I came into this program is to see a lot more greening taking part in this region. I'd like to see a lot more trees, I'd like to see a lot more green areas, and also to mitigate or go into a program that will mitigate this adverse climate change.
I expect to be able to interact with the organizers and the trainers, and for them to be able to give us more information on how we can sustainably build our restoration companies to support the farmers we support in both gender and also in the restoration sector.
We gather again here for yet an exciting session. This time around to be able to look at cross-cutting issues that are affecting our businesses. I know most of us are working with smallholder farmers. We are working with communities, and in the community there is a mix of different groups. There is women, there is men, there is youth, there is people with disability, all kinds of people. And the question is, how do we interact with them? So we thought it is wise that we could actually have a conversation around gender, social, and equity, and be able to look at why it's important, we as business people, to be able to incorporate those components in our business, even as we scale up.
What are the entry points for gender transformation? I'm just provoking your thinking. I'm sure Stella will come and talk so much about this point. You are nature-based enterprises, right? You're nature-based enterprises. You're dealing with land. Your businesses are built on land, right? So the issue of secure and land rights and access, you cannot avoid it. How is the land rights or the land tenure of the people that you're working with, of the businesses, of the people who are supplying your raw produce?
So far, we've benefited by creating networks with seedling providers that help us reach to their customers who afterwards get to know about organic fertilizer and incorporate it in their growth of fruit trees and also in the growth of horticultural products.
I've learned about finances, I've learned about budgets, I've learned about pitch, and especially today I got to learn more about why my pitch has to be short, precise, to the point. And of course, another important thing was about my ask.
We expect that we are going to do our work better and also expand our production, especially on the biopesticides and the pheromone traps that we are known of in Kenya.
Over and above, the event has been very successful. We were able to see a good turnout of entrepreneurs, coming through. We were also able to see very good engagement in terms of, questions being asked, in terms of, listening, and just to be able also to applaud the teams that were able to facilitate this, from Mount Kenya Hub to WRI International, for being able to put up, good discussions, good trainings, good content, but also for the facilitator WRI for being able to make sure that all this happened. Thank you.